Assalamu alaikum friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel On Demand IT Traders। आज आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ how you can create your references and a bibliography by using the LaTeX। There are four quite simple steps that you need to perform by using a LaTeX। You can get a ready-made references list according to your desired style। Before moving towards these four steps, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the notification of my all upcoming videos। So the friends, let's start my first step। In the first step, friends, you need to create a database file। Let's suppose this is a folder of your article that you have written। This is actually the main file and this is a database file that I have already created, but now I am going to tell you how you can create this database file। It is quite simple. Let me open this first। You can see a record in this file in some specific format। This is called a BibTeX format of different record। I have a record of a book reference, I have a record of an article reference। At the rate of article means this record is of an article, at the rate of book means at the rate of this record is of a book, and at the rate of in book means you are going to take the reference from inside of a book, and at the rate of miscellaneous means you are going to reference a website। How you can get this format, BibTeX format? It's quite simple। First I am going to tell you how you can create this database file। It is quite simple। You just need to click on file, create new file and save this file with an extension .bib। You can give any name to this file, like I have given a sample, and save it। Your database file will be automatically created। I have already created and put some record in this database file। Now I am going to tell you how you can get this record in this specific format। Don't need to write one by one line, you just need to copy that record from some source and just need to paste that record in this file। Let me tell you, if you're going, let's suppose if you're going to cite this article like coronary artery disease article, let's suppose I'm going to cite this, how you can get the BibTeX format of this article? It's quite simple। Let's suppose this is the number, there are the number of article, I'm going to cite this article। You just need to click on this cite button and then click on BibTeX। It will give you all the information about this article, the name of author, title of this article, author, journal, volume, number, pages, whatever the information that is related to this article, you can get this in a BibTeX format। Just you need to copy this text and paste that text in this Bib database file। Similarly, you can maintain that file by copying other references in this file। At the end you will get a records, number of records that you are going to cite in your paper। So the friend, this is the file of your database। In the second step, I will going to tell you how you can include this file in your main article file, how you can specify the style in the third step, how you can mention your style in which your references will appear in your output, and how you compile this file in the fourth step। So let me open a main file of my article in which I have just cited few of these references only। I have just written a 4 lines in which I have just fetched the record from this file and display the results। So the friend, in a second step, this is actually the second command, this is actually the second step in which I have just mentioned the name of a file that I have created, which is actually a Bib database file, slash bibliography, curly brackets, and then mention the name of your file that you have set before। And the second last line, you need to mention the style of your references। I have mentioned it alpha, you can change it like IEEE, like APA, APA like MLA, whatever, Chicago, whatever the style that you want in the LaTeX will automatically format your references and give you results. So the friend, let me compile this file and see how the references look like in alpha style. So the friend, we have got the output. I have cited these all references like this DOE 00A. This is actually a one side. The LaTeX automatically pick the unique identifier from your reference and put this in a side in your text. So the friend, this is actually the output of your file. Here you can see the LaTeX has automatically format your references. The LaTeX has automatically fetch the information from your database file and it formatted according to your desired style. I have mentioned it in the file that the LaTeX should format it according to alpha style. So let me change this style. Let me change this style as an APA like. APA like is actually the style name that the LaTeX supports. Is actually an APA style. When you will compile this, the LaTeX will automatically format your references, the fetching information in a APA style. Here you can see these all references are in a APA style. Let me change this again in IEEE format. IEEE TR. Save this file and click. Now the LaTeX will format my references according to IEEE format. Here you can see you don't need to format any of your reference. You just need to perform these 4 steps. First, you need to maintain your records, means you have to build up your database of your references that you want to cite in your reference paper. Second step is you just need to include that file in your main article file. Third step, you need to mention your style, in which style you want all these references and bibliography. And in the fourth step, you just need to compile that file and you will get the final results. So the friends, hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, it is share with your friends. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.